Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, you can create and run threads to perform multiple tasks concurrently. When working with threads, you may need to return values from the threads to the main program. One common way to achieve this is by using the concurrent.futures module, which provides a high-level interface for asynchronously executing functions. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to return values from Python threads using concurrent.futures. Step 1. Import the necessary modules. Step 2. Define a function that will be executed by the thread. Step 3. Create a threadpoolexecutor. In this example, we define a function square_number that calculates the square of a given number. We then create a threadpoolexecutor context manager and submit the square_number function with the argument 5 to the executor. The submit method returns a future object that represents the result of the computation. We can then use the result method of the future object to get the return value of the function executed by the thread. In this case, we print the result, which is 25, since 5 squared is 25. By using concurrent.futures, you can easily work with threads in Python and retrieve values from them asynchronously. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to return values from Python threads using concurrent.futures. Let me know if you have any questions or need further clarification.